Are you thinking about installing a walk-in shower or tub? Most customers don't realize what the biggest challenges are until it's too late, which is why we created this 15-minute course to walk you through the process. For more than a decade, we've helped thousands of New Jersey homeowners avoid those exact problems, turning old, unsafe bathing areas into walk-in showers and walk-in tubs that they feel safe and happy in. To help homeowners like you, we've created a 15-minute program which walks you through the process of making your bathroom safe and avoiding mistakes like picking the wrong contractor and the wrong materials. We don't want you to waste money. It's a free course. Just click the link below.